A landslide in Guwahati, Assam on Monday 13 June killed at least 4 people. The incident took place in the Nizarapur area of Guwahati. Heavy rains on Monday night caused landslides in the area. Apart from Nizarapur area, landslides were also reported in Jyotinagar, Bashishta, Navaghara and Gandhi Mandap areas. Guwahati West Deputy Commissioner Navneet Mahant said that the 4 people reported dead were laborers and residents of Bongao area. As the avalanche descended from the hill, they were trapped inside the house and rescuers rescued their bodies in the morning. As a result of the landslides, various emergency services have been disrupted. Heavy rains have been reported in many parts of Assam since Monday night.